Welcome to the channel. Today's video I want to show you what I bought today. So I bought 4 packages of seeds, and I will go into this a little bit further after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Okay, here we have the 4 packages of seeds. And the first one I want to show you is Westland Lange Rodé chili pepper. And the second one is ordinary basil. I love basil. And the third one is lemona. I love lemona. And the fourth one is garlic Oriental. And the best thing with this is it doesn't say F1 or F2 or F3 or F4 on this package. So in my opinion, this is heirloom seeds. And I'm surprised. I never seen heirloom seeds here in Sweden before. Or I might have, but I didn't pay any attention to it. But I believe these are heirloom seeds, because they don't have F1 or F2. Which means it's a first generation hybrid or second generation hybrid. So I think these 4 will be pretty promising, and I will save these and I will buy more of them, so I have a stock up on them, because that would be useful. So, thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you for your support. I appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. So, take care, stay safe, God bless. ShadowScoutSwede out.